So today I'm going to show you how to find or how to see the country of origin of your iPhone, basically where your iPhone was manufactured. So the first thing you need to do is check your iPhone model number. So you want to go into settings, we just go back to the main settings page. So if you go into settings and then go to general and then go to about, you should see your model number right there. Now what you need to check is the last two letters before the forward slash. So you can see mine has LZ/A at the end. So you want to look at LZ. Okay. Now once you check that, you want to go to a browser and then go to just Google Apple Wiki model region. Okay. Then from the results, tap on this website page, this page called model regions from the Apple Wiki. The exact URL should be this one right here, the applewiki.com/wiki/model region. Anyway, so on this page, you can actually see a table here that's going to show you the code. And the code is those two last letters I was telling you about. So you want to scroll and look for your letters. Mine is LZ. So here's LZ. So mine is manufactured either in Chile, Paraguay, or Uruguay. So that's how you can find the country of origin, or rather where your iPhone was manufactured. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.